Hello, and thanks for taking the time to listen about my Kickstarter, an Intro to R for Non-Programmers textbook. R is a very popular coding language, and it's used in a lot of different fields, such as political science, image analysis, economics, statistics, and data science. R has really changed my life and what I do in a very positive way, and I want others to be empowered by knowing how to code in R. So the content of my textbook will be how to get started with R, which includes things like downloading R. The next would be R is a big fancy calculator, which goes over the fundamentals of how to do things like addition, multiplication with uh, objects in R. Computing things quickly goes over the functionality of R called functions and other related topics. Dealing with data includes some data wrangling methods and how to set up data for analyses. Plotting data will include topics that involve producing scatter plots, histograms, and other data visualizations. And then R packages is how you extend the base functionality of R by downloading user-generated packages. And then if we meet certain stretch goals, there will be other chapters such as exporting results for presentations, papers, and reports, which basically entails setting up your results for whatever you need in the workplace environment. And then there's going to be a stretch goal chapter of advanced topics, which includes things like how to do for loops and while loops in R and other related topics. So this textbook will be for people who have never programmed before, those that need to learn or want to learn using lots of examples, and then even people who have programmed using languages such as SAS or Stata. R's grammar is a little bit different than other programs like SAS or Stata, and so this provides a very good tutorial to how to program in R. If the stretch goal for the teacher's edition is met, it's also going to be very useful for teachers who want to use this as a supplement for their classes or as the main textbook for their class. There will be solutions to the questions at the end of each chapter, and if the stretch goal for exams is met, there will be exams and even quizzes. I could see this textbook being used as a work reference. So if you're working in a lab and you need a quick reference on how to do something in R, this is going to be great for that. It's going to be a great supplement to a class, such as a statistics class. So maybe you teach the statistics concepts in class, and then you have the students do those analyses in R with the aid of this supplement. And then this is also going to be a great training resource for labs. So if you have a new lab member who comes in who doesn't know R, but is very specialized in, let's say, biology, this will be a great textbook to get them started in using R. And then why am I a good person to write this textbook? I've been coding for about 6 years now in R. I used R a lot in my thesis and various research papers related to satellite imagery, health sciences, and bioinformatics. I've also done a lot of teaching using R. I've created a YouTube channel and a website dedicated to teaching others about R. And I've also offered short courses on R at a variety of different venues. Thank you for considering to donate to my Kickstarter.